I'm not sure exactly what changes did you make. It didn't quite work. Just to clarify, when we changing the maximum number of nodes slider, instead of regenerating the graph from scratch, I want the extra nodes to just be added or removed, while the rest of the knowledge graph remains exactly as it is. So without the window refreshing or anything like that. It works fine with the nodes, but I don't see any of the connections. I think you got rid of some of the necessary code by mistake. Can we bring it back? Keep the rest of the functionality of the code exactly as it is. Don't remove anything. Had to go back. We don't expect less than 243 lines of code. Bugs? Seem to be bugs. Yeah, I wanted to essentially read the text, and while it's reading, I want to continuously generate, increase the number of nodes, so the story gets more and more complicated. It's fixing some bugs, which is a good sign, but I'm not sure why are they there to begin with. Okay, it's working on page load. The generate graph is working, the graph is there, but it seems like the maximum number of nodes slider input is being ignored or something. And I also get so to begin with, I don't get any errors, but once moving the number of node slider, I also get the following error. It didn't actually change the code, which is super weird. Yeah, now it's actually editing. No, it didn't work. Did not work. Oh, there's still some problem with the slider. Can you double check? Yes, something super weird. There's something super weird. Go back. Yeah, that's the one we had working. That's when it stopped. So I just keep it as that one for now. Just do a quick summary and questions. I don't know. Yeah, that didn't work. Unfortunately. I mean, the previous version is pretty good as it is. Yeah, there's quite a few things that could be improved, but yeah, I might just write better prompts and try a single shot prompt next time when we come back to this. I'll pop it on the side. We will pop it to the side. It's only 240 lines of HTML. All the JavaScript is within it. So you have the source code within the page. It's using 3JS. I don't know who that is. Why is it 2021? Who knows, but it works. And we have another very long JavaScript. We just need to include the acknowledgements. Yeah, we need the whole description thing. We need the description. Can GitHub Copilot do it? Is it being lazy? Is it actually accurate? Knowledge graph, yes. Extract, yes. Generate graph, yes. Use the slider, yes. Explore the graph, yes. Acknowledgements, powered by, created by. Is that a good enough acknowledgement? Well, no. Yeah, this is a bit better. It's an NLP library. It's a weird website. We won't go there. If anything, BioniChaos is spelled... Well, I mean, it is 3 terms. It's bio, electronic, and chaos. And we will make it available for you. How long will it take? Might do it offline. Let me know if there's any questions. Still, yeah, it's really hard to get like the final things. There's some obvious things. Just need a better prompt. And try a single shot. Works really well. Works really, really well. Anyway, you know what to do. Likes, subscribe, unsubscribe, whatever you need to do. Complaints are more than welcome. Go check the website. There's a bit of a different, yeah, there's an about section, contact section. Yeah, we're pretty much on all socials, but mainly using YouTube and LinkedIn at the moment. But yes, if I get any meaningful interactions on any of the other platforms, I'm more than happy to use them as well. And the landing page is now just a list of tools. So yes, it was a bit hard to, there's, yeah, as you know, or you don't know, there's the ECG, cochlear implants, EEG, some imaging stuff, which we will, as we work on it, as the tools get more developed, we bring them up to the top of the page. So go check them out. Essentially what you see on top should be more polished or more developed. Yeah, and we were even doing our own training and stuff. 18 runs of training. So go check it out as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Publish this thing that's available for you. Yeah, I was trying to fix, you know, the fact that every time you change the maximum number of nodes, it's regenerating the whole graph, which is not ideal. Ideal would just be dynamically added or removed, so it's not jumpy like that. But yeah, but the bot wasn't able to do it. Well, I mean, that being said, it was able to do everything else. So, and especially if you checked the website and you have any feedback, that would be greatly appreciated. Currently we're doing graph, knowledge graph visualizer, but then there's many other things around the cardiograms, encephalograms, so brain, heart, vision, hearing, cochlear implant stuff, EEG-to-music conversion, spectrograms, filtering. There's some blogs. Yeah, the blogs are a bit useless. We're trying to make everything dynamic, so it's actually interactive, not just text and images. Data visualization, games. Yeah, we love games. Might leave you with the life. How is life? How's your life? it's generating lots of life, and we can have some incubators in there. So look, there's some animal. Yeah, we generated around water as well, so we could have it as an incubator, so it will essentially be going forever. So there is some fun stuff as well. Can try getting this one going again. Yeah, putting some water in it. It will start going. Anyway, play around with it. Let me know what you think. We're doing some more serious stuff, training convolutional neural networks. We did like 18 runs of training. Can get a performance of like 100% accuracy. Well, 87 on training set and 90 on validation set. This is 600 images, spectrogram images. So go check this out as well. Hopefully it's actually learning the right thing to recognize these patterns in the spectrogram where the spiking is actually slowing down. But, well, everything else should be the same, like the size of the image, the amount of noise in it, so on and so forth should be the same. So whatever number of parameters it's looking at, which we have to, we essentially will be reverse engineering this model to see how it's actually making a decision, and and ideally test it on another data set. So if you have any data that you want to look at, EEG with seizures, no seizures, we could try this neural network, this model, which is only 70 megabytes. Just above 100 megabytes. We can test it on another dataset, see how well does it perform. So that's the kind of stuff we are looking forward to. Yeah, let me know what you think.